Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's your boy Joe Pillar, and right now I'm going to be showing you something real quick. With this simple strategy that I'm going to show you, you are going to be able to be making about $1,000 per month consistently. So with this strategy, you need no website. You need no website because it's absolutely free. You need no money to do this and to use this particular strategy right here. It is absolutely free. Absolutely free. And this ninja code that I'm talking about, I'm going to be leaving the script in the description below so that you can get it and you also can use it and you also can make money with it. So if you are new to the channel and you are looking for a way to make money online, this is the right channel for you. And basically on this website I make video about how to make money online. So be sure to pay very close attention to the video and go through all the videos on in the playlist and check the one that suits you, that you know you are confident with. So watch it and go and use it to make money wherever you are in the whole world. So guys, let's get right into the video and see how you can use this particular ninja code that I'm talking about. Don't forget that I said you need no website, you need no money, you need no investment to do this. So be sure to pay very close attention to this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and give me thumbs up so that I will know that you are really enjoying and you are getting value from what I'm doing right here. So let's get right into the video and see what I got for you today. Welcome back guys. So let's get into the first step on our list, which is to grab our affiliate link, because we need a product to promote so that we can make this kind of money, and we need a product that is converting very well, that a lot of people are already promoting and they are making lots of sales with that. Don't forget I said on Clickbank, because Clickbank is a very reputable website. Clickbank is a very reputable website, and a lot of people are making use of it already, and they are making money with this particular website right here. Clickbank is available in over 200 countries. It's available in over 200 countries, and if you are finding it difficult to create a Clickbank account, maybe your country is not listed, then I have a video on that. You should check around the channel. Also, I'm going to be leaving the description the link in the first text on the description below. So be sure to check it out and watch it so that you will know exactly how you can do that. So let's grab our affiliate link. I'm just going to log in because I have account with them already. I'm just going to click on login right here. If you just want to sign up, just click on sign up right here and sign up on this particular website. Here is my account right here. If I click on login, it's going to redirect me to my dashboard. So here is my dashboard. So I'm just going to click on this affiliate marketplace. So it's going to take me to the marketplace where I am going to choose a product. As you can see, we have a lot of categories. Some bunch of products are there in all these categories right here. As you can see, we have a lot of categories, and guys, there are 3 categories that are best selling right now. These 3 categories are health and fitness, the second one is relationship, the third one is e-business and e-marketing. These 3 categories, they are very good. They are converting very well. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to be going into e-business and e-marketing, which is make money online. So I'm just going to click on this magnifying glass so that it will sort the best selling products and list it down below, so that I'm going to choose one among them. As you can see, this one is research right here is a weight loss supplement, and if you make a sale, they are paying about $119.70. And if you You scroll down here, as you are seeing this graffiti right here. This graffiti means 355 people have sold this particular product in the past few weeks. That's what this gravity means. You can see this one has 328 gravity. And guys, the best thing that you're supposed to be doing, that you're supposed not to make mistake of, is not promoting a product that is recurring. If you are promoting a product that is recurring, then you are going to be making consistent sales. You are going to be making money consistently. So be sure to pay attention to this video so that you will not miss out on anything. So let's look for a product on in e-business and e-marketing. Let me just come here and click on this e-business and e-marketing right here, and it's going to load the products that are there in, and here are the best selling products right here. Let me just sort by gravity so that it will pop up the best selling product. So as you can see, this one, turn text to speech with human live video voice, is the best selling right here. As you can see, the gravity is 235, so I'm not going to go for that. So okay, I'm going to use this perpetual income right here. As you can see, this perpetual income is recurring. It's recurring. If you see this, that means it's recurring, so that you are going to be making your monthly income consistently with these products right here. So the gravity is 215, which is very good, very good, and they are paying about $191.11, which is very huge. You need just few sales to reach 1,000 per month. But guys, you need to put effort, but not that much. But if you put more effort, that means you want to be making extra cash, and that is recommended. So guys, let's just grab our affiliate link right here, or let's just come back for it. Let's come back for this affiliate link right here. So we have seen the product that we are going to use. So let's just go back and continue with what we are going to do. So the second thing we have to do is to go to a free website called blogger.com. Blogger.com is a free website that enables anybody to create a free website. Wherever you are, you will be able to create a free website with this blogger.com right here. So here is my account right here. Actually, okay, here's one of my blog right here. So what we are going to do right now, we don't need to design anything. We don't need to design any blog. We don't need to design any blog. So what you are going to do now is to create a new blog. This lasso tattoo remover is the product that I used to make my first sale on Clickbank right here. So you are going to just click on here, come down, click on new blog right here, and it's going to load this up. Now we know we have choose make money online niche. Then what with the name we are going to choose for it is going to be related to it. So let's choose a name, and I'm going to choose money mastery right here, and click on next. Here also I'm going to write money mastery if it's available. Okay, it's not available. Money mastery 001. Okay, it's available. Then let me save this. Okay, so this is our blog right here. I've created the blog, which is money mastery 001. This is the blog that is going to be making all the money for us. I've created the blog. Now the next thing on our list is to get the ninja code that I'm talking about. This ninja code is very powerful, and I've go through YouTube channel and I noticed a lot of people have not been talking about it, and that gives you the upper end of making tons of money with this particular strategy right here. So be sure to pay very close attention to this video, and if I'm really giving you value, please consider smashing the subscribe button and click on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop awesome video like this, YouTube will notify you that this guy has dropped another video. And what that means is that you are going to be the first to make money with any strategy that I share on this channel. So be sure to pay very close attention. So I'm going to go and get the link right here. So here is this. As you can see, it is not that much. The link is very small, very little. This is the powerful code that I am talking about right here. So as you can see here that I wrote affiliate link right here. This is where you are going to insert your affiliate link, and you are going to be making consistent money. So guys, let's get right into this, and I'm going to leave the link to this code down below in the description below, so that you can also grab it and you can use it to make money also. So guys, let me grab this and let me show you where you are going to paste it. Let me just copy right here. Let me just copy this, then go back to the blog. Once I'm here, then once you are here, then go to themes, come back here. Okay, let me show you what our website looks like before we come here. Let me just view the blog. Let us see how it looks like. Okay, as you can see, this is what our blog looks like. Money mastery right here. So let's just go back and continue our work. So click on themes right here, then come back here, click on this arrow right here, then click on edit HTML. This is what we do the whole work for us. Then you paste that code at the header of the HTML of your blog right here. You paste that code here. So guys, I've pasted the code here, and let's go and pick our affiliate link, then put it here where I wrote affiliate link right here. So let's go back to our Clickbank to get our link right here. So here we are, perpetual income. Let's grab our affiliate link, then enter your ID right here, and click on create uplink array, then copy your affiliate link, then go back to your blog, then paste the affiliate link right here. Okay, so here is our affiliate link. Then we are going to save this. I'm going to save this right now. So I'm okay, it's updated successfully. So I'm going to go back here and reload the screen right here. I'm gonna view the website right here. As you can see, this is our affiliate link. This is where exactly the affiliate link that we took will bring us to. As you can see, this require no website of your own. If you have none, this requires no investment. This is very easy, very easy. As you can see, this is my affiliate link, right? Affiliate ID right here. This is my affiliate ID, and the name of the website is Money Mastery. So if you want to give anybody that link, then you are just going to give them Money Mastery 001.blogspot.com instead of giving them the direct affiliate link. Guys, if you are just starting up and you don't have money to create lead magnet, you will create a bridge page, then this is very okay for you. This is very okay for you. You can use this wherever you are, and you are going to be making consistent money right here. So guys, the last thing on our list right now is to go to YouTube. Go to YouTube right here, then type online or zoo mystery, then enter. Once it's load up, then come down here, click on the subscribe button right here, then Once you are done clicking on the subscribe button, then click on the notification bell. That is the last thing that we are going to be doing. Just click on the subscribe button right here, then click on the notification bell here. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop another video, you'll be the first to get notified. So guys, here is where we are going to be stopping for now, and we are going to be meeting in the next video. So if you have any question to ask, then go down below, go into comment section below and comment anything that you want to comment, and ask any question that you want to ask. And don't forget, if you have anybody that is also willing to make money online, share this video to them so that they can also benefit from this. So take care, goodbye, and we are going to be meeting in the next video.